guys, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious red mini potatoes in garlic and lemon. This is just amazing. This is the perfect side dish. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This amazing and delicious mini red potatoes in garlicky lemon sauce, this is what you need. I have salt, black pepper, parsley, chili flakes, of course our mini red potatoes, 2 small lemons, 7 garlic cloves, and 3 tablespoons of butter, and of course a little splash of vegetable oil. This is everything you need to enjoy these amazing red potatoes, of course in this delicious garlicky lemon sauce. So let's get started. First things first, getting your spices ready. What kind of spices am I using? I am using parsley. Right now I'm using black pepper, salt, dried chili flakes, and parsley. Remember, beautiful family, salt is to taste. These are the spices I am using for my amazing red potatoes. And here I have the parsley, the chili flakes, salt, and black pepper. That's everything we need. These potatoes are going to come out amazing. I'm going to put it aside. I have my 7 garlic cloves. Yes, you heard correctly. 7 garlic cloves. This lemony garlic potatoes come out so delicious. And of course, if you love garlic like I love garlic, you're going to love these potatoes. Once this is done, we are going to dice away completely, making sure that the garlic is really diced so that it really releases all those amazing aromas and flavor. You really want to infuse your potatoes with the lemon and the garlic. So make sure you dice it really good, just like this. Okay, I have the potatoes nice and rinsed, and now I am ready to just cut them in half. The reason that I'm cutting them in half, I really want the potato to absorb the flavors of the parsley, black pepper, salt, garlic, lemon. Oh my gosh, let me tell you, these potatoes are going to come out amazing. Look how delicious they look. Now I'm ready. I have all the ingredients ready to go. And let's go over them. Look at this. Of course, 3 tablespoons of butter, lemon, spices, garlic, and potato. My pan is nice and hot. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and I'm putting the potatoes facing down. I want this potato to be really nice and crispy and golden brown. And this is going to take time. Let me tell you. Once you put your potatoes, cook them in medium-low heat so that the potato starts getting nice and soft, but yet it starts getting nice and crispy from the bottom. Look at this. This is how you need to see them. Leave them cooking in medium-low heat. Just like that. You want the potato to really be crispy. And here I have my 2 lemons. They're small, but they are so juicy. My mouth is even watering every time I slice lemons. Oh my gosh. All my taste buds come to my mouth. Of course, I'm going to slice two slices nice and thin to reserve for the presentation. And here I'm getting all the juice out of my lemons. Look how much juice I am getting. These little lemons are just amazing. My sister-in-law brought them for me, and of course, She has a tree and these are organic. So I am ready to use them. Look how much juice they have. Well, this is ready. I'm going to put it aside and let's go and see how the potatoes are doing on my pan. Look at this. They are already getting nice and golden brown. That's exactly how you want them. I want to show you how they look. That's exactly how you want. If you wanted a little more crispy, you could leave them facing down for another 2 to 3 minutes. And I think that's exactly what I am going to do. I just want to show you how they look, and then I'm going to flip them back over because I want to start adding all the rest of the ingredients. But I want them to get nice and crispy, a little more crispy. So when I bite into them, they're going to be delicious. Once this is done, of course, we're going to start adding our 3 tablespoons of butter, and we're just going to let them really melt. We're going to add the garlic, add all the spices, making sure that everything is incorporated. Remember, we are cooking at medium-low heat. You want every single potato to be facing down. Once you add the spices, cover it and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes in medium heat. After those minutes, you could uncover and flip them over, and look how delicious. My house really smells amazing. I really love garlic, and my house smells, oh my gosh, just gorgeous. Of course, like I always say, when you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. Once you flip all your potatoes and they're facing up, you're ready to add the lemon juice. Yes, you're ready to add the lemon juice. Let me tell you, the combination of the garlic and the lemon, oh my God, just delicious. And once every single one is flipped over, we are going to add the lemon juice, and we are going to cover all the potatoes so that they absorb the flavor of the lemon. Cover it, turn off your stove, and then you're ready to plate. And of course, all those little drippings, oh my God, they taste amazing, especially if you're going to add it on white rice and meat or fish. Oh my gosh, this will be just perfect. I am ready to plate it. They're nice and soft. They are al dente, and that's exactly how you want them. You don't want to overcook them. And now I am ready to put them in a plate. Look at this, how crispy they are. If you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share, because only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. Thank you so much for being part of my family. Thank you so much for leaving all those beautiful messages. I love reading them. And of course, I love tasting my delicious recipes. I can't wait to enjoy. Look at this. Nice and crispy. And those drippings, we are going to add into the potatoes. We're going to drizzle it right on the top. You really want to add all the lemon juice and garlic that is in the pan. Add it right on the top with all your potato with these amazing drippings. Look at this. This is just gold. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy and dig in. This is a perfect side dish for even fish or tilapia. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this side dish of potato with garlic and lemon, you name it. You could enjoy it with carne asada, with grilled chicken. You decide, but this is the part I love and enjoy. Tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. So delicious. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing, garlicky, buttery potatoes. They came out delicious. See you soon. Bye-bye.